Today I'm going to show you how to do expanded multiplication, which is a method of multiplication that can be really handy and easy if the old method scares you a little bit. For our first example, we're going to multiply a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. So the way to do expanded multiplication is you're going to take the number and you're going to break it down into expanded form. So 26 can be broken down into 20 and 6 because 20 plus 6 is 26. Then I'm going to take and multiply by 5, and I don't need to break down the 5 at all because it's already just ones. So for expanded form multiplication, all you're going to do is you're going to multiply both sets of numbers. So I'm going to multiply the 6 and the 5, which gives me 30. And then I'm going to multiply the 20 and the 5, which gives me 100. Then all I need to do is just add those two together and I get 130. I can apply the same principle to a 2-digit by 2-digit number. So in the example 57 times 34, I'm going to break 57 down into 50 and 7, and then 30 and 4. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the 7 and the 4, which gives me 28. Then I multiply the 4 and the 50, which gives me 200, because I know 4 times 5 is 20, so that tells me that 4 times 50 is 200. Change my color here. Then I'm going to multiply 7 and 30. I know 7 times 3 is 21, so 7 times 30 is 210. Finally, I'm going to multiply 50 and 30. Well, I know 5 times 3 is 15, so 50 times 30 is 1,500. Now all I have to do is add these numbers together, and I get 8, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. So my answer is 1,938. So I was able to multiply this without any carrying of numbers, which is probably the traditional way that you learned how to do it. For the final example, we'll do a 3-digit by 2-digit number. So I'm going to break the number down just like I did before. 472 is 400 plus 70 plus 2. 38 is 30 plus 8. Now I'm going to multiply each pair of numbers. So I'll start with the 2 and the 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Then I'm going to do 8 times 70. I know 8 times 7 is 56, so 8 times 70 is 560. Then I'm going to do 8 times 400. I know that 8 times 4 is 32, so 8 times 400 is 3,200. Next, I'm going to do, I'm changing colors here. I'm going to do 30 times 2. I know 3 times 2 is 6, so 30 times 2 is 60. Then I'm going to do 30 times 70. I know 3 times 7 is 21, so 30 times 70 is 2,100. Can you guess what the last numbers are that I'm going to multiply? You got it. That would be 30 times 400. I know 3 times 4 is 12, so 30 times 400 is 12,000. So now all I have to do is just add these numbers together. And what's nice is that I've got a lot of zeros, so that makes my adding even easier. So in my ones column I've got a 6, then I've got 6 and 6 is 12, plus 1 more is 13. Then I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I've got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. So my answer is 17,936.